MetaTrader 5 is used by millions of traders worldwide, but choosing the wrong broker can cost you thousands. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 6 MT5 brokers that will actually help you profit. Hi, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com. For over 13 years, we've been helping traders make better broker choices. Each year, our team tests out more than 80 Forex brokers using our proven evaluation method, so you can find the best broker for your trading style. Today, I'll walk you through the top 6 MT5 brokers and explain what's unique about each one. But first, I think it's important to quickly cover what MT5 is all about and explain how we chose these specific brokers. If you're here just for the broker recommendations, no problems at all. Feel free to skip ahead using the chapters feature below. So why MT5? Your trading platform can make a real difference in how well you trade. That's why so many traders still trust MetaTrader platforms. They're the industry gold standard, even though they may feel outdated when it comes to design compared to newer platforms. MT5 was designed as the next evolution of MT4, offering more power, flexibility, and market access. You get advanced indicators for better analysis, professional-grade charting tools, multiple time frames to spot the perfect trade setups, and built-in automation features. What's also important is that you can trade more markets with MT5. Now, here's something worth knowing. While the core MT5 platform is the same everywhere, it's created by MetaQuotes, some brokers go the extra mile. They offer additional plugins, useful third-party tools like AutoChartist, extra indicators, and social trading features. That's one of the key factors we considered when selecting the best MT5 broker. What did we also look at? Security and regulation. We only selected brokers that passed our trust test. Competitive trading fees. We actually opened live accounts to see how their prices stack up against the industry averages. Support for expert advisors and algorithmic trading, as not all brokers allow this. And finally, we paid attention to other important factors such as the range of markets, account types, and additional tools. Our goal was simple: find the brokers that would give you the best possible trading experience on MT5. By the way, if at any point in this video you'd like to explore the brokers for yourself, check out the description below or click the link in the top right corner for the best offer in your region. So, ready to find out who made the list? FP Markets tops our list in the best MT5 brokers. Founded in 2005 in Australia, the broker shows a solid track record in the trading industry. Firstly, they've tackled an issue for Mac users. Since MetaTrader isn't always Mac friendly, FP Markets developed a custom-built app that lets Mac users run the full MT5 desktop platform. For traders using algorithmic strategies, this is a real game changer. But FP Markets doesn't stop there. They've packed their platform with powerful trading tools, AutoChartist integration for trade signals, trading central research provider, and advanced indicators from its own Traders Toolbox plugin. This includes indicators for sentiment analysis, correlations, stealth order capabilities, and a whole host of other tools to enhance your trading. One standout feature is an AI-powered tool called Trade Medic. This isn't just another dashboard, it's like having a trading coach inside your platform. Trade Medic analyzes your trading performance, identifies over 40 potential cognitive biases. For example, it can identify whether you're entering trades out of FOMO or setting up stop-loss levels too tight. This is one of the best tools offered by a broker that we've seen in a while. Beyond the tools, FP Markets offers impressive market access, covering more than 10,000 instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and cryptocurrency CFDs. With commission-free and commission-based accounts, competitive spreads, solid educational resources, and top-notch customer support, FP Markets delivers something for every trader, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. If you're after fast and reliable order execution, the second broker on our list, RoboForex, could be an option for you. Founded in 2009 and headquartered in Belize, RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments including CFDs on Forex, commodities, indices, shares, and an impressive selection of 12,000 real stocks. Our analysts were particularly impressed with its order execution speed, averaging around 45 milliseconds, faster than the industry standard of 60 milliseconds. For short-term traders like day traders, scalpers, and those using automated trading strategies, this can make a meaningful difference. Plus, the one-click trading feature in MT5 adds even more convenience. Their order execution also benefits from the free VPS hosting for funded accounts. Traders with at least $500 and a monthly traded volume of free lots can take advantage of this service, which helps further cut execution times to around 5 milliseconds by ensuring stable internet connectivity. What else makes RoboForex stand out? Super low minimum deposit of just $10, multiple account types, access to raw spread pricing, and MT5 can also be enhanced with add-ons to provide direct access to trading signals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, RoboForex provides a solid MT5 trading environment with some technical advantages that serious traders will appreciate. Now, our third broker, IC Markets, is a go-to for traders looking for seriously competitive fees. Founded in 2007, IC Markets has built a strong global reputation, especially among high-volume and high-frequency traders. Let's talk about their spreads. They really are impressive. During our live testing, we saw euro to US dollar spreads as low as 0.8 pips during the London and New York Open, compared to the industry average of 1.08. If you're looking for even tighter spreads, their raw spread account offers rates starting from 0.0 pips with a competitive $3.50 commission per lot. Their pricing isn't just good for Forex. We found similarly tight spreads across major and minor currency pairs, stock indices, equities, and commodities. Take GBP to JPY, for example. Our test showed spreads around 1.2 pips, whereas some brokers go as high as 5.0 pips. Beyond pricing, IC Markets offers some nice additional tools, such as alpha generation indicators for MetaTrader and Trading Central Analytics for deeper market insights. Another major plus is execution speed. IC Markets' MetaTrader 5 servers are located in the Equinix NY4 data center in New York, giving traders level 2 pricing for market depth and ultra-fast order execution. Overall, for active traders looking for a low-cost, feature-rich MT5 broker, IC Markets delivers a very impressive package. Next up is Pepperstone, a broker that's particularly well-suited for professional traders. Founded in 2010 and headquartered in Melbourne, Pepperstone has grown into one of Australia's most recognizable trading brands. They offer multiple platforms, including MT5. One of their standout features is the Smart Trader Tools package for MT5. This includes 28 custom indicators and add-ons that can seriously upgrade your trading toolkit. One particularly interesting feature is the correlation matrix. This tool helps traders manage risk by identifying relationships between different assets. This can be crucial in avoiding overexposure to correlated markets. Besides, Pepperstone integrates AutoChartist, a third-party tool that helps highlight potential trading opportunities. Their Razor account offers other impressive perks for advanced traders. Raw spreads starting from 0.0 pips with commissions added. They also boast a 99.5% fill rate and no dealing desk intervention, meaning faster, more reliable trade execution. Another key feature for professional traders is their VPS hosting, which allows you to run automated trading strategies 24/7 without interruption. Plus, they support API trading, perfect for those developing customer trading systems or using algorithmic strategies. Overall, if you're an advanced trader looking for a broker with powerful trading tools, competitive pricing, and automation support, Pepperstone is definitely worth considering. Number 5 on our list is Arante, a broker that knows one size doesn't fit all when it comes to trading. Founded in 2019, Arante has quickly made a name for itself by offering traders something pretty special, a range of account options that can match just about any trading style. They provide access to over 120 tradable instruments across Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and crypto CFDs. So what makes Arante stand out? It's how they've structured their account types. Let's break it down. If you're just getting started, their standard account is perfect. With just a $50 minimum deposit, you get spreads from 1.5 pips and 0 commission. If you want to step things up, their premium account is where it gets interesting. For a $1,000 minimum deposit, you get tighter spreads, around 1.0 pips, plus daily market summaries and personalized customer support. For more serious traders, the VIP account offers even more. Spreads from 0.8 pips, still no commissions, free VPS hosting, and 0 fees on deposits and withdrawals. The $5,000 minimum deposit may seem high, but the added perks can really benefit active traders. Finally, Finally, for high volume traders, there's the tailor-made account. With raw spreads from 0.0 pips and a $15,000 minimum deposit, you can customize your trading conditions directly with the broker. Having the right account type can make a real difference. Whether you're just starting out or trading with large capital, Arante offers you the flexibility to trade the way that works best for you. Finally, if you're an experienced trader looking to level up your trading, our last top MT5 broker, FXTM, could be a great fit. Founded in 2011, FXTM is well regulated globally, offers over 1,000 tradable instruments across major asset classes. This includes commission-free US stock trading with free real-time data, which is a great feature for stock traders. For professional Forex traders, FXTM provides leverage up to 1 to 2,000 and daily trading signals from the Acuity Signal Center across multiple asset classes. When it comes to pricing, both the Advantage and Advantage Plus accounts offer ECM pricing, ensuring deep liquidity and competitive fees. The Advantage account in particular features raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a standard industry commission. FXTM also stands out in copy trading. The FXTM Invest portal allows professional traders to become strategy managers, share their performance with followers, and earn up to 30% of the profits from those who copy their trades. Bottom line, whether you're after tight spreads, high leverage, or the chance to build a following as a strategy manager, FXTM offers powerful tools for professional traders. And that wraps up our top MT5 brokers. Ready to get started? Click the link in the corner or in the description for exclusive offers from these brokers. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before you go, check out this video. YouTube thinks you'll find it interesting. I'll see you there.